Good afternoon, class. How are you all? You all are fine now? Okay, so dear student, I Juhi Singh and I welcome you all in a maths online class. So check out your book, this one, Systematic Mathematics, okay? And also take out your stationery box. Now today student, I am going to start a new chapter, that is Unit 5, okay? Unit 5. Okay student, now here in Unit 5 you are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of 3-digit number. Okay, addition of 3-digit number. Okay, on page 72. Okay student, now addition of 3-digit number. So in previous chapter you have learned about the addition of 2-digit number and subtraction of 2-digit number. Like that only here you are going to learn the addition of 3-digit number. 3-digit number is also the same. Okay, now addition of 3-digit number is similar to that of 2-digit number. Okay, now to add 3-digit number we have to add, now see, 1 in 3-digit number there are ones, tens and 100, and here it is 1, 10, 2. This is 312. Okay, it is in ones place, it is in tens place, and it is in 100 place. So here I am going to add. Okay, I am adding. So first what you are going to do, you have to add ones to ones, tens to tens and hundreds to 100. Okay, so like this, पहले मैं इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगी, then इनको. Okay, so ones to ones is 5, tens to tens is 3 and 100 to 100 is 4. Okay student, so like this we are going to discuss the addition of 3-digit number. Okay, it is without carrying. Okay, it is without carrying. Now add. Exercises, add 6, 4, 4, 2, 2, 5. Okay, so what you are going to do, you have to add ones with ones, tens with tens and 100 with 100. Okay, so 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 is what? 4 plus 5 comes 9. Okay, now 4 plus 2, 4 को plus करिए 2 से, that it comes 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, so 869. Okay student, now next 358 plus 541. Okay, then 453 plus 126. Okay, so 8 plus 1 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Now here it is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 579. Now see here, 2, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 4. Okay, then 3, 2, 9 plus 670, then 514 plus 235. Okay, student. Now see, 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Okay. Now 9 plus 0 means 9. 2 plus 7 means 9. And 3 plus 6 means 9. Okay. Now 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 and 7. 749. So like this you have to complete page number 72, and also after completing in your book you have to note down this one addition in your maths notebook. Okay students, so I am giving you the time to complete it. Okay. Okay, now I hope you all have done this. Now come to page number 73. Okay student, page 73. On this page similarly we can also add 3-digit number. Let us add 3 numbers. Okay, 3 numbers and 3-digit number. So see here on page number 73. Okay, add 303 plus 365. Okay, then 41217 341. Okay, these are 3 numbers. Okay student, then 78211 then 3 6 5 2 1 2 0 2, okay, plus then 4 3 0 4 3 3 1 4, okay, plus then 2 4 1 5 4 3 1 0, okay. So these are the 3-digit number and also the 3 number. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 0 plus 6 is 6, and 3 plus 3 is again 6, okay. Now here see, this is in a ones place, okay. ये तीनों ones place पे है, तो 1 and 7, 8 and 1, 9. Then this one is in tens place, 4, 1, 5 and 4, 9. And here it is 5, okay. Now 8 plus 1, 9, 7 plus 1, 8, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now ones place, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 2, 5 and 0, 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, okay. Now 3 plus 4 and 0. So 3 plus 4 is 7 and 0 means nothing. 3 plus 4, 7 and 1, 8. And again here 7, okay. 8, 7 and 1, 8 and then 4, okay. So again you have to do this one from page number 73 in your book as well in your copy, okay students. So do it. First student, you have to note down in your book, okay, because in your book these all are given, and after that you note it in your notebook, okay students. So do it fast. So completed. Okay, so hope you all have noted down in your book, and also these all are about the addition of 3-digit number without carrying over, okay. ये without carry over है, okay student, and it is very simple, but you have to practice by your own only, okay. Some more questions are there that you have to do by your own, okay, and also do it in your notebook, okay student. And In the next class, I will teach you the addition of 3-digit number with carry over. Okay? फिर मैं carry over लेने के बाद कैसे होता है addition, I will teach you in the next class. Okay? So till then, keep practicing. Okay? And stay at home. So bye. Take care.